Welcome to today's video. In this video, we will continue drawing and coloring marine animals that live under the ocean. These animals are vertebrates, so please pay attention to their features to help tell them apart. Let's start drawing. First, we will draw the whale shark. The whale shark is the largest fish in the ocean, known for its huge body and unique white spots. Even though it is very large, the whale shark is gentle and harmless to humans. It mainly feeds on plankton, small fish, and shrimp by filtering food through its wide mouth. Whale sharks usually swim slowly in warm waters and sometimes appear near the surface. When drawing a whale shark, the dotted patterns and large body make the picture lively, easy to recognize, and fun to color. Let's start coloring. Next, we will draw the hammerhead shark. The hammerhead shark has a very special shape, with a wide, flat head that looks like a hammer. This unique head helps the shark see better and find prey more easily. Hammerhead sharks are fast and active hunters that eat small fish, squid, and other sea creatures. They often live in groups and swim constantly through the ocean. When drawing this shark, the unusual head shape is the key detail that makes the picture stand out. Now it's time to color. Next, we will draw a cute dolphin. Dolphins are intelligent and friendly marine animals, famous for their playful behavior and communication skills. They usually live in groups and work together when hunting. Dolphins have slim bodies, smooth skin, and swim very fast. They often jump out of the water, creating beautiful and joyful moments. When drawing a dolphin, the soft curves and friendly smile make the picture look lively, cute, and full of positive energy. You can start coloring now. Next, we will draw a shark. Sharks are well-known ocean predators with strong bodies and sharp teeth. They have an excellent sense of smell that helps them detect prey from far away. Sharks live in many different ocean regions and play an important role in keeping the marine ecosystem balanced. When drawing a shark, the powerful shape, sharp dorsal fin, and bold lines make the picture look strong and clear. This animal is great for practicing shapes and bold coloring. Let's color it beautifully. And now, we will draw a whale. Whales are giant marine animals and are among the largest creatures that have ever lived on Earth. Despite their size, whales are gentle and usually feed on plankton or small fish. They are famous for their deep sounds that can travel long distances underwater. Whales migrate across vast ocean areas during different seasons. When drawing a whale, the large body, simple lines, and gentle movement create a calm, relaxing picture that fits perfectly with a peaceful coloring style. Now let's start coloring. Today, we have finished drawing and coloring some beautiful marine animals. Each one has its own unique and charming features, don't they? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to support the channel. See you in the next videos with many more beautiful and interesting animals.